What are you trying to do?
Hey, Clinton. Not do that.
But don't hurt her.
I'm not hurting her. She's just... Yeah. Got it.
You got it? Is the temperature good?
No, bad.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no. So you're going to have to give her some medicine. Hey, Eva, she's just walked off with your plaster. Bandage.
Oh no. Ah! No. Oh, gosh. Kittens like to play with string.
Yeah.
You get a piece of string.